The specific results that I achieved from this program was, number one, I got a clear understanding, a better understanding of my role as a software engineer, like what is expected of me. Also, more maturity in terms of being able to focus my career path, being able to discern what is valuable for me and what is not valuable for the goals that I want to achieve. And this was based on conversations from, and being participating in the live calls and seeing what real software engineers are doing. And for me directly, I received from participating in this program several job offers. I was actually, before I joined this program, like I said, I was looking for a better role, one with more growth and opportunity. But while I was a part of this program, I was actually laid off. And because of the support and the resources with this program, I was able to maintain focus and actually gain real growth learning while being a part of this, and being able to iterate over several interview processes and be able to get constructive feedback, which once again ultimately allowed me to obtain several job offers, which one of them was exactly what I was looking for, a role with better opportunities and better room for growth. So I couldn't be happier. I would recommend this program to anybody who is who wants to take their career seriously, who has tried to do it on their own, or even if they did have support in some sense, but they find that they're having some type of blocker. They cannot obtain that next level that they're trying to achieve. And they've exhausted their own resources that they have done, and now they want to place their trust into someone who's more experienced, someone who has more knowledge and is willing to guide them. This person has to be able to once again understand that it's on them, that they have to participate, that they're unafraid of criticism or feedback that is meant to help them, and that they're willing to put in the work. Because if they put in the work, they'll get what they want. So that individual, basically a person who, like I said, who wants to take their career seriously. If you're afraid that you're just going to, this is one other program where you're going to give your money to and you're going to put your time in and you haven't had a result. The difference here is that there's going to be actual people, there's going to be individuals who care, they're invested as well as you're invested. So if you're willing to invest into your success, these people are also willing to invest as well. And I appreciate, everybody, their guidance as well, because once again, like I said, I achieved my goal of having several offers, but even navigating that, I wouldn't have known, how does one deal with that? But once again, there's resources here to help you to make the best decision for you. So thank you again.